leaders of Australia, I have an offer you can't refuse. Falls by Australians aged 65 and over cost the country about $3 billion a year. It's the most expensive issue in the healthcare sector nationally.
Hospitals across Australia admit over 250,000 people each year directly as a result of a fall.
The treatment of a hip fracture will cost $30,000.
Every day, 16 people die from a fall.
Our aged care services are struggling to cope with the workload.
Yet falls prevention remains an afterthought in public health policy.
But here's some great news. Research shows that we can reduce falls by up to 30% within 12 months.
Minimise the chance of these awful falls that compromise the health of older people and cost our health budget so much.
Well, to our shame, we have no national policy, no national messaging, and little coordination of services for falls prevention at any level of government. If promoting falls prevention and action could save Australia $1 billion a year, would you do it? Please. Political and government leaders push for the federal government and every single state and territory to speak to each other and take action, with everything from community exercise programs to education across the country. And let's get a unified message on falls prevention from coast to coast.
The evidence is clear. We know how to prevent falls.
We have the research.
Falls can be prevented.
We need to do more in terms of prevention.
We need 3 commitments from government. First, a national mass media campaign.
We need to see this the same way we see anti-smoking campaigns or avoiding skin cancer.
Second, a central, trusted website.
Australians are missing out on understanding how they can reduce their risk of falls.
And finally, expanded services.
They need to be able to go to their local hospital and find out about really good evidence-based programs that they can get involved in for a week, or a month, 3 months, and for the rest of their lives.
Every older Australian needs access to these life-saving services, no matter where they live.
And there's the challenge. To our leaders, we need to ask the question: are we headed for a fall? Stay on your feet, Australia.